have you inside, I can finally tell you what we're going to make.
My treats?
Oh, right, sorry. Have a blueberry.
You know I don't like blueberries. That's the worst treat ever.
Wait, come back. Want a chocolate chip?
Yes!
Here, have that. Okay, now can we make a video?
Yes.
Well, first of all, hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today, we will be making pancakes.
Yahoo! Yay!
Hang on, we need to find the ingredients. Now, let's get making, because this one is very hungry. In a large bowl, whisk together flour and baking powder.
In a small bowl or liquid measuring cup, lightly whisk together the milk, egg, and butter.
Pour the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir just until combined. Batter will be lumpy. Do not overmix. Let the batter sit while heating up a griddle or skillet over medium heat.
Preheat the oven to 280 degrees and place an oven-safe platter in the oven to preheat.
Grease the griddle or skillet and pour about a quarter cup of batter per pancake. If adding blueberries or chocolate chips or other ingredients, put them in now. You can also mix them into the batter before this. Once the bubbles are formed on top and along the edges of the pancake, flip the cake once to finish the other side. This is how we do it.
While making the other pancakes, place the completed ones in the oven on a warm platter to keep them warm until serving.
Serve with real maple syrup and powdered sugar. They should look like this. You can also eat them with bacon, sausage, eggs, or more. Now let's try it. Lance, I think you should try blueberries again.
Okay, I'll try. You want they're really big. Really big.
Ta-da!
They're as big as my plate.
Here, I'm going to take the chocolate one. I'll just eat it with my fork because they're smaller.
Mackenzie's chocolate.
And now, wait, let me cut off a bite. It's mine. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
I guess I really do like blueberries.
I guess so. Well, these are so simple and easy to make, just like the breakfast we made last time, our breakfast burritos, which is above. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram or Facebook, and like our videos. See you next time. Bye. Click the thumbs up to like, type a comment down below, and click the red button to subscribe.
But I thought you said now we're to click a red button.
Well, generally, no, don't press red buttons. But you can press the subscribe button.
Okay.
Bye!